Let us perform an activity to demonstrate increase in tension with decrease in the weight of a body. Materials required are a cardboard, empty matchbox, matchsticks, and a coin. Lay the empty matchbox flat on the cardboard. Slightly open with the empty section facing upward. Insert 2 matches into the empty matchbox so that the heads point out from the matchbox. Close the matchbox as much as possible so that the 2 matches are securely held. Angle the 2 matches so that the heads are touching. Place a coin on the cardboard and rest a 3rd match so that its head meets the other 2 and the tail is resting on the coin, pointing away from the empty matchbox. The 3 matches should now form a triangular pyramid shape, with the 3 heads at the top point of the pyramid. Use a 4th match to light the others from underneath. What do you observe? It is observed that the 3rd match magically rises off the cardboard. Is it really magic, or is it physics? When the 3 match heads ignite, they fuse together. In the case of the 3rd match, the top and bottom surfaces of the match burn at different rates, causing a gradient in the surface temperature and tension across the match. The differing tensions across a 3rd match cause an upward force to be exerted upon it. The 2 original matches are fixed in place. Therefore, the 3 match heads form a pivot point from which the 3rd match magically rises.